Have you ever copied and pasted something from Progress Book, the roster that has the kids' first and last name, but also their middle name? Want to know a way to get rid of this super quick? So like if you're in Google spreadsheets, you can actually, and you might know this already, just highlight a column and go into data and go down to split text to columns. And notice how it just separated everything from the last name from the first name. And it just detected it automatically. But now I still have the first name with the middle name. So what I can do now is just go to data, split text to columns again. And this time it's gonna ask, it didn't do anything. So it wants to know like, hey, what do you want me to split it by? This time I'm gonna say, where you see a space, I'd like for you to split it. And then notice how I now have the last name in a column, the first name in a different column, the middle names are gone, I can delete those. And yeah, I have everything alphabetized and I did not have to copy and paste and get out that middle name. So helpful trick, it works for many different things.